awesome AYCCG students. I wanted to show you how to locate, how to complete, and how to turn in the 1.11 describing yourself graded assignment. And so this is, you're going to go, my class content right here isn't up right now. So I'm going to go to content. And this is going to be in 1.11. Hold on, I'm viewing it as a student, so I can't see everything. Let's do this again. Content. And this is going to be down here. 1.11, describing yourself. You're going to open that. And here, there's going to be the graded assignment. So you're going to open that all the way. Hold on, I have this. Hold on, let me get the assignment open. All right, so once you have this open, you're going to go to Enable Editing up here. And you're going to ask why it decided to go off of it. Okay, and you're going to look at the instructions for the assignment. All right, so you're going to draft a personal statement. So this is going to be a shorter personal statement than something you're going to be writing a whole essay later in the class, at the end, towards the end of class, not the end of class, towards the end of the year. So this is going to be a shorter example of something you're going to write, but you're going to use this, and you're going to pretend pretty much that you're telling someone about yourself to apply to college. So you're going to read these prompts, and you're going to choose one as the topic that you're going to write about. So I have a lot of students in previous years who have gone, oh, I'm just going to answer all of these questions. You're only going to choose one of them, and you're going to write about 250 words. Let me see, how many does it say? 250 to 300 words. That's about half a page double spaced. And keep in mind, guys, that I'm not going to take off points for grammar, but I used to be an English teacher, so just keep that. I am an English teacher, so just keep that in mind. When you're writing, that you want to be sure that your audience that's going to read this is an English teacher, so you want to be sure that you're appealing to that. So, and not trying to, I know, anyway, okay. So, you're going to answer one of these. So you're going to choose which one that's the first step you have to take, is choose which one you're going to do. How will you contribute as a member of the college community? What clubs or organizations might you participate in, lead, or initiate? So think about how you would want to participate in college, what kind of clubs you would like to do, what kind of ways you would want to be involved in making the school a better place. You can talk about clubs that you might want to be involved with, you might want to lead, or that you might want to start yourself. How will you behave as a community member? What kind of roommate would you be, or what kind of activities would you participate in? Again, that's, what kind of roommate would you be? What kind of student would you be? How active would you be in helping make the campus a better place? That kind of thing. How do you contribute to classroom discussions or group projects? For example, do you listen quietly, lead with strong opinions, or build on a classmate's statements? If you use this one, be sure, I want you to remember that you're ideally going to use this as a, kind of how you would, present yourself to someone and, before you go to college, or if you're trying to apply for a job or something. So, you want to say good things about yourself. I had a student once choose this topic and say, I don't really contribute, that kind of thing. If that's you and that's the truth, you might not want to choose this topic. And also just give examples of a time, when you've contributed to classroom discussions, that kind of thing. Or you can describe an event, activity, or job that's had an impact on your academic or career goals. A lot of students like this one. A lot of us, we have a reason why we want to be something. I always think of my mom. My mom, when she was going through nursing school, my grandmother was dying, and she watched the hospice nurses taking care of my grandmother, and my mom decided she wanted to be a hospice nurse, so that's what my mom does. So that was an event. If my mom were writing this, she would describe that event that had that impact on her and why she wants to do that. So, if you want to be a nurse, is there something that led to that? If you want to be a teacher, was there something that led to that? If you want to be a lawyer, is there something that led to that? You might want to describe some sort of experience you've had that led you to do that. So you want to focus your statement, answer the question, and give examples. Down here, you might want to read this, describe what the event reveals about you. What did you learn? These are some ideas of things you want to bring into this very short essay. So keep in mind, you want to write about 200 to 300 words. And this is worth 30 points, this essay. So you want to make sure you've done this right here to the fullest. You can do it. The response provide a complete answer to the prompt topic. After you think you're done writing, when you think you finished writing, is there anything more I could say? If there is, then say it. If not, then you've probably written enough. Content was well developed and completely addressed all components of the prompt, and response included excellent personal examples to support the content. So you don't even want to worry about this stuff right here, because if you make like a 20 on this, you're already doing very poorly. You want to be in this range. Not very poorly. You're already failing or making a low C. I can't remember, but I can't do the math right now. But yeah, I think it's a low C. Yeah. If you score 20 points is what I'm saying. Alright, because 15 would be a 50. Okay, so that is that. That's what you're going to do. So you can go to the bottom of this page and start typing. Or start typing it like right here. Or you can open a new document and save it. Whatever you do, save it to your computer. And then you're going to turn it in. And you're going to turn it in by going to Tools, Assignments, and then you're going to look for 1.11, Graded Assignment, Describing Yourself right here. You're going to click on that. It's going to open up and, you're going to click on that. It's going to open and you're going to add a file, find the file on your computer, upload it, add it, submit, and that is all you have to do. And then you will be finished with that assignment. Alright, so, so that's that, and, so happy writing, everyone.